Hello students, I am Raman Gupta and in continuance with the last video in which we started with the introduction of the author Charles Lamb, we are going to start the essay A Bachelor's Complaint on the Behavior of Married People, written by Charles Lamb. This essay was first published in 1823 in the collection Essays of Elia. This essay has a more serious or pseudo-serious tone. Actually, this essay is in mocking way or in a satirical way, and it is written in an argumentative style. Author puts some arguments. Charles Lamb's essay, A Bachelor's Complaint of the Behavior of Married People, is just what the title suggests. It is indeed a bachelor's complaint of the behavior of married people. The title is very suggestive. It tells that this is a complaint of a bachelor who is unmarried and is a complaint against the behavior of married people. In what way married people behave with a bachelor. Lamb emphasizes his single status in the start of the essay as a single man, and in doing so separates himself from the married people. He separates himself as a single man because he is not married. Lamb remained unmarried or bachelor throughout his life. He talks about married people as if they are despicable and offensive, and gives both hypothetical and personal examples to back up his points. Married people set themselves apart in their own groups through their attitudes. Married people generally make their own groups in which all the people are married, and this is due to their attitudes. They really do seem to be off in their own little world of love, and this is what Lamb dislikes. They try to show that they love their partner very much, or to show off that there is someone whom they love and the person loves them the most. And this behavior is not liked by Charles Lamb. He believes that married people prefer one another to all the world and openly flaunt it. They give extraordinary preference to their spouse. This behavior is offensive. Thus offending singles such as Lamb by implying that they are not the object of this preference, and by giving this extraordinary preference to their spouse, they show off that a bachelor is not deserving such kind of preference. Furthermore, Lamb believes that overall singles are looked down on, married people are undoubtedly more forward, more favored, and knowledgeable. The main complaint that Lamb is making throughout the whole essay is that married people's attitudes and how they demonstrate their status. Towards the end of the essay, Lamb brings up the subject of children and how they also contribute to the married people's attitudes. He brings out all the negative aspects of children and emphasizes them by listing them continuously with dashes as separation. By using the negative aspects of children, he furthers his disapproval of married people and their actions. Lamb's purpose in writing a bachelor's complaint of the behavior of married people is to bring to attention the attitudes of married people. He wishes for his audience to realize how married people subconsciously flaunt themselves in their love, offending those who are single. In this way, married people let the bachelors feel that they are not fortunate, they are unfortunate. Ultimately, he hopes that married people will bring themselves to correct their mistakes and be more considerate towards others. He structures his argument by stating his main reason for decrying married people is because he believes them to be overly involved with each other and the love that they disregard and perk it up in the faces of singles so shamelessly. From this claim, Lamb offers personal anecdotes as well as hypothetical situations that illustrate and support his points. He concludes his essay stating that although he despises their attitudes, he is still willing to forgive their jealousy and dispense with toying with their brats, but thinks it unreasonable to be called upon to love them. Through Lamb's willingness to forgive these people whom he disapproves of, he is seen to be credible with good values, and his readers are more inclined to believe his words and work to correct the attitudes of married people. The structure of Lamb's argument logically appeals to his readers, for it flows and clarifies his points through examples. He gives examples to clarify or to emphasize his statements. However, Lamb fails to address any possible counter arguments. His argument addresses only the negative aspects of married people, but surely there are positive sides as well. By failing to address and disapprove these possibilities, Lamb leaves from for doubt. Despite this, his argument stands strong. The examples he gives are cogent, and through his personal anecdotes, he is able to establish a connection with the audience. He gives his own life experiences with married people. So, the anecdotes or the life examples he gives uh, establish a connection with the readers or audience. He also appeals emotionally, especially to the singles, for he is a bachelor himself. The injustice that he sometimes feels can appeal to others who have felt the same way. Although there are some flaws in his arguments, they are overlooked and undermined by his credibility and emotional appeal. Overall, a bachelor's complaint of the behavior of married people is effectively portrayed through Lamb's arguments and claims. His complaints are easy to understand because of his examples that he gives. He makes many good points about married people and most likely is able to persuade many readers of his views. His life examples, like when he says he went to meet one of his friends, I have encountered in the he writes that he has encountered some absurd attempt to visit at their houses. And when he was served some special dish of oysters, the lady friend of the author made the author feel that he was not the object of her preference, and she had made him wait for the arrival of her husband, and after then she served him the dish, and in serving that dish she also played a partial role. It was not fair for a guest to feel that he is not the object of his or her preference. So, this was the example, this was one of the examples he gives in this essay. There is a long list actually, he gives examples. So this is all about the bachelor's complaint, the behavior of married people. Thank you. In the next video, we'll discuss some other facts about this essay in detail. Thank you and have a nice day.